Alright, welcome back to the last episode of my mobile phone video editing class. Today we are going to be looking at the basic editing in InShot. I'm going to be sending my video to InShot from the sender. Click on it. I told you how to remove the InShot logo. Click on it and remove. After that, we need to set our canvas. I want my canvas to be YouTube format, not in Instagram format. We have TikTok, we have all these formats, though I want my own to be in YouTube format, which is 16:9. Fine, I think I'm good to go. Just click mark. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to trim, cut and add music to the video. I don't like the audio, so I want my video to start from this place. Yes, I want to start from here, so I need to trim it. Click trim your video like this. So I want it to be there. Remove the audio. So I want to remove the audio. I don't like the audio. So click there and remove the audio. I don't like that audio. Been able to remove the audio. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to cut, to add transition. So I want to add transition to this place. So where is my split? Look for split. So split here. So let's go. So I want to have another transition here. This split, there should be a transition here too. I want to split here too. Let's split it here too. Split. Oh, I'm good now. That is okay. I've been able to cut and trim the video. I've shown this thing to you before, so click on it. This thing will be displayed to you. So yeah, I like that effect. So let's go. So this part, I want it to be black. Yeah. So I'm good there. So I want this one to be okay. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice. So let's go. So I want this part to be like this. So don't forget, I told you that you can also increase the timing of your effects, of your transition. You can also increase the timing of your transition. So this space, let's use this. Don't forget that I said there are free transition and the paid one, so I don't have access to it yet. So the next thing after a transition is to add music. So let me add my music. You can also do a voice record. Okay, I'm trying to do a voiceover on this video. Can you see that? Once you have done, if you are okay with it, you click mark, and if you are not, if you want to take it again, let's take it again. If you are okay, mark. You see it. Let's hear. So that is how you can add voiceover. If you are okay, you can also delete it if you are not okay with the audio. You can also add tracks, audio. So let's come to this place. Delete. I don't want this one. I don't want that voiceover. So double click on the audio. Let's feed it and feed out. So I want it to be like that. So we can also adjust the audio. So let's try to adjust the audio. I want to trim the audio. Double click on it and trim the audio. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's nice. That is nice. The next thing is to add text in our video. So don't forget, you can add your text. Exact media. So change this. Wants to be this. Let me add another text. So I want this one to be here. You can also add stickers, anything like that. So you add your filter to the video. Let's make it pinky. Yeah, you can increase it. So I want to apply it to all video. So it's on it. Click OK. So the next thing is to add effects. I want to add effects on this. Let me add effect to this place, this part. Have the effect like that. My effect, I want to start from here. Yeah. Play. That's nice. That's okay. The last thing I'm going to be showing you is how to export your video. Once you are satisfied with your video, so you can just click on this button here. The standard form is 1080, so which is the HD. So we have frame per second also, so let's leave it to 30 frame per second. So the higher the frame per second, the more the size will be. So let's leave it to 30 frame per second. And we have the 4K, we have 2720. So all these things are, we have HD, we have full HD. 720, that one is HD. So we have 1080, which is, this one is full resolution, and we have 4K. So but we are going to be using 1080 preset. So if you notice, as you are changing it, the file size is increasing, so you have to be very conscious of that too. So for the sake of this time, we are going to be using 1080 pixel, and click on it, click save. Thank you so much for joining this class. I don't take you for granted. In case you have any question, suggestion, anything that you want to add to this video, please feel free to come to my DM